In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make XREFs in AutoCAD. This feature is incredibly useful for a variety of reasons, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how to effectively incorporate it into your projects. Let's dive right in. XREFs, or external reference files, are a fantastic feature in AutoCAD that allow you to incorporate external drawing files or other file types such as images and PDFs into your current drawing. The beauty of using XREFs is that these files act as links rather than being embedded directly into your drawing. This means that any changes made to the source file are automatically reflected in your drawing once you reload it. It's a dynamic and efficient way to work, especially when collaborating with others or working on complex projects. Now, the first step in utilizing XREFs is to open the XREF Manager. To do this, simply type XREF into the command line and hit Enter. You'll instantly be greeted by a list of external references currently in your drawing. This list provides a comprehensive view of what's already linked, and it's where all the magic happens when managing your XREFs. With the XREF Manager open, you will notice a drop-down at the top. This is where you can select the type of file you wish to attach as an external reference. Think of this like choosing ingredients for a recipe you're about to prepare. Each file type serves a different purpose, and choosing the right one is crucial for the task you have at hand. As an example, let's go ahead and attach an image file to our drawing. It's a simple process that will help illustrate how easy it is to work with XREFs. You'll want to click on the drop-down, then select Attach Image. This action will prompt a dialog box, allowing you to browse your files and select the image you want to attach. Once you've selected your image file and confirmed your choice, it's added to your drawing as an XREF. You'll see it appear in your workspace, seamlessly integrated into your existing project, without permanently altering the file size or structure of the drawing. And there we have it. You've successfully added an image as an external reference. Even if you were to close the file and come back later, the link between your drawing and the external image remains intact. If any changes happen to that image file, you simply reload the XREF, and voila, your drawing reflects those updates. This flexibility to link files, update easily, and manage complex drawings efficiently makes AutoCAD's XREF feature an essential tool for designers and architects alike. I hope this step-by-step guide has illuminated the process and proven just how straightforward and powerful XREFs can be. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!